Hey, y'all remember that one time I said, in that live stream, I said the rain out here is horrible today? I said that it looked like a rainy Attack on Titan. And that's what it looked like now! Look at it! Look at it! Oh my god! Oh. UPS! Oh boy, look at this UPS dude running back! Bruh! This rain ain't even, what the freak, man? This rain ain't even supposed to be coming down like this! What the freak, man? Yo, this is really bad. Holy frick. Heck. Yo, the rain is terrible right now. Do y'all not see? Bro, this is a callback. This is a callback. Oh my god. Yo, I'm done. Oh my god. Ah.